What's up? Happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday, we're halfway there. Wait, today's the official Doom release day, right? I think so. Happy Doom the Dark Ages not early release day. Obviously been playing that a lot. It's been really good. I'd say my review so far of Doom the Dark Ages is the setting is kind of weird. Like the Dark Ages like fantasy theme is like very not Doom, I feel like. So it's a little weird. But gameplay wise, it's like the best Doom, I would say, for me since like the original Dooms, because it's a lot more like grounded. Like you're running around, strafing around projectiles, and you have like these super heavy hitting weapons. The parry system is awesome. It plays a lot more like the original Dooms, where you're like just kind of running around on the flat ground, and the maps are a lot bigger and like wider, which I really like. I don't know. It just it feels more like an old school Doom game in a lot of ways to me. But I wish the setting was like not weird. But it's probably my favorite. I don't know. It's too early to say if it's my favorite Doom reboot. I guess some like Halo 3 vibes from it a little bit. Anybody that played Halo 3 when it came out, if you remember like the big like open world scapes kind of where you were like flying around now on like kind of a bigger map, and that was kind of new to the series. It's kind of like that in a couple places where you're like in the middle of a giant battle, which is kind of interesting. But I've been enjoying it. I've been playing it on controller, which is odd, but I just throw it on my TV and play. It's so comfy. I just chill on the couch. Performance is amazing. I've got a 4080 and an i7. And I play it at 4K on high, not maxed, but on high graphics with DLSS, and I'm getting like 120 frames on 4K, which is solid. Solid work. Looks beautiful. But yeah, it's been good so far. Highly recommend it if you were thinking about it. Definitely check it out because it's pretty sweet. Solid game so far. I'm like, I think I'm on the 5th mission. I'm like maybe 6 hours in, 5 hours in, somewhere around that ballpark. So not super far in. I already you drive one of like the mechs like really early on in the game. I'd say like for a mech section of a game, it's pretty fun. But I don't we could just do without it in the Doom game. The mech stuff should just go away. They should just get rid of that. I'm not, doesn't fit. There's also the dragon riding sections where you have like a dragon. I think that actually fits better than the mechs, to be honest. Because Doom's always kind of been that like kind of a, that's where like there is a little bit of like that fantasy dark like sci-fi part of Doom, but it leans, I don't know. There's never been like big mechs and ships and stuff in Doom, but there's been kind of dragon-y things, so I feel like it fits better. I don't know. Pretty good though. It plays really nice. The gameplay is awesome. Like my complaints are like almost entirely cinematic aesthetic. Like it doesn't feel quite like a Doom game, but it's fun. So yeah, I don't know. Take for that what you will. What else? Today I launched a couple more search carriers tweaks. I did make advanced search free, so you can do advanced search now without an account. Yeah, I think that's better. Then you don't get hit with like the subscribe to pro right out the gate. I feel like that was like too much, you know? So it's a lot better. Started some new projects, a couple secret ones. Probably gonna have the truck verify project in like end of June-ish time frame, I think. Focus on the TMS, obviously. Today we're doing invoicing, invoice generation. I want to go over a package I found for generating invoices actually in Laravel. I don't think we're going to use it because we're just going to build our own sort of system. But I want to just call it out because it was pretty cool. So I'll go over that. It's kind of neat. I think we'll have time. Let's see. I'm going to stream for like 2 hours till like 5 again today. So it'll be kind of a shorter stream again, but I think we'll get invoicing done, probably. I don't expect it to be too crazy. And then if we have time, we'll start looking at some of the stuff we like marked up for last time. And if not, we'll go get to it next stream. Which might be Friday. I don't know. We'll see. See how it all shakes out a little bit. Let's see here. Let me share my screen. And go over a couple things. There's the discount code still, by the way, if anybody wants to sign up. Discount codes for search carriers. This is the PR from last time. I forgot to open it, I guess, so I just went and opened it. I also started this repo. I don't know if I talked about this last time or not. I started a little dumping ground for all the stuff that I kind of like learn on the way, or reusable things. Maybe I'll make this more like nice in the future, but I don't know. I just got like random, like, so for example, I have like this, the pre-commit check that we have in the TMS. I use that in all my projects. So here it is. Just threw it out here so I can pull it into all my projects that I use. Same with disposable email checks. Oh, I'm skipping this song for sure. Yeah, disposable email checks is another one to do in search carriers. But yeah, I don't know. Just threw a bunch of random stuff in here that I need to reference. So hopefully somebody finds it useful in the future. Inertia forms, using the use form thing with refs. I don't know, stuff I've run into a few times. Helpful for me, maybe helpful for somebody else. And then yeah, search carriers, couple small updates today, but I did make advanced search free. So now you can come in here and use this if you want to. So radius search takes a second. You do have to go to Pro to see more than the 10 results though, so that's the same. But hey, you got the little discount code right there in the corner. So it makes it $10, super cheap. And there's a 7-day trial. So sign up, try it out. If you don't like it, then cancel. I should probably add that to the products page, huh? 7-day free trial. Yeah, I'm making a note to do that real quick. Increase conversions. Let me do this. Add 7-day trial to the products page. Cool. It's been storming here like all day. Really bad thunder and lightning, so it's like going in and out. But if I go offline suddenly, that could be why. Just FYI. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and merge the Raycon stuff we did, because it's good to go, I think. And let's go ahead and get invoices going. So let me pull this up real quick. Search carriers. Oh yeah, so I was going to talk about that other thing I found. I wonder if I can find it, actually. Hold on. Laravel, and I think I was looking at it on my phone, actually. What invoice? What was it called? Elegantly, maybe? Here we go. It was this one, I think. So it's kind of a simple invoice generator. It's kind of cool. I like a lot of like the customization they had in here. Generating the number, formats for like an invoice number. They just kind of like made some decisions for you, right? Like to how to display like tax number, company number, blah, blah, blah. Right? The format. You add like line items, right? New invoice item. I think it's pretty cool. I don't think we'll use... I mean, is there a reason not to use it? I guess just... The problem is that if we use this, we kind of are forced into whatever templating system they're using. And I think we're going to go with more of the same templating approach we did for Raycons, using blade templates, so... But, I mean, this is cool. And he's got a couple other projects in here. Packages. Oh, look, here's one he just launched, looks like. Like, literally today. Conversation chats tool. So you kind of go by stars. Sort by stars. Invoices is number one. A modal for Livewire. That's useful, probably. Let's see. Creating one. Basically, I'll handle positioning. Position. I mean, that's pretty nice. Livewire needs these built in. Oh, this is great. If I was using Livewire, I'd definitely check that out because it needs modals. I don't know. There's random stuff in here. He's got a money system. SEO tag builder. Actually, that would be useful. Wait, go back. I might use that. I got a project I need SEO stuff built in for inertia. Oh, interesting. That's actually pretty cool. This is actually pretty nice. Because I run into this with inertia because we render on the back end. If I add meta tags to the front end, it's a little goofy. Inertia. Yeah, I'll see what they even recommend. Is there like a trick? Here's an example. Yeah, see. Kind of sucks. Not my favorite. I have no idea what's in this playlist we're playing, so bit of a roll of the dice. It's the Rocket League playlist. See, the Rocket League playlist used to be awesome, like 5 years ago, but now it's got all kinds of weird stuff in there. So now it's hit or miss. But yeah, I don't know. That's actually this the SEO package is actually kind of nice because then you could just plug this into your template, which is nicer because then you can just do this, which I like. I wonder if this works with inertia still or no. I don't know. It's cool. They have a website. They have a settings one I looked at too yesterday, but it's not quite what I need. What is a UGC? I'm so out of the loop when it comes to this kind of stuff. What is a UGC creator? User-generated content creators. Ah, got it. Got it. We're learning. What all we got here? Translations manager. That's kind of cool. Oh, these are all the packages, right? Oh, that's cool. Oh, I like this. Actually, I like how he did this. Free and open source, one-time payment. Free and open source. I kind of want to like update my site to have those tags. That's cool. It's got a little component kit. It's cool. Open a modal. Yeah, that looks pretty good. That's slick. Wait, has it got a page for this? Oh yeah, look, there you go. Oh, this is cool. Man, I like this guy's website with like all these demos. That's very cool. Look at that. Hey, props to this guy. This is sweet. Yeah, this is sweet. He put some time into this. Is this like AI? Oh, it is. Got it. So he's a big Livewire guy, probably. Oh yeah, looks like it just based on this. Yep. We should build something with Livewire on stream. Maybe. Nah, I don't want to do truck verify. I need to do inertia. I got shiny object syndrome a little bit with like Livewire. I want to like go try it out again. It's so good for like quickly building stuff, but you just, I don't know, you just lose so much control. I like this guy's website. It's cool. Is it mobile friendly? Let's find out. Yeah. Images are a little small, but I mean, for sure. Nah, it's cool. Oh, these a little goofed. That's okay. That's cool. I like it. Anyway, I saw a post on Twitter. Is how I saw this. I don't know. I was like, oh, interesting, and yeah, I think it does a pretty good job. Seems like, so that's cool. Appreciate it. All right, customer invoices. So, customer invoices. Let's get started. Okay, so we did views document. So I think we're gonna create another document like this again. Let me just see what we do here. This actually is probably something worth putting in our development thing, huh? Like document generators. Do we have like a? I feel like this is something we want to record. So like, Oh, you know what? Sale. Oh, as well. Okay, cool. Files up to times. Oh, you know what else? This is one I should put in my build. My builder thing. I'm gonna make a note to do this when I run into needing zips again to time zones. That's for sure. You know, honestly, that would be a good package to build. Add to builder notes about zip to time zone lookups. That would be a good package to build. It's just like you just download the zip3 file. I mean, that'd be an easy Laravel package to build, and it's such a pain. I feel like somebody would find that useful. Maybe one day. Okay, so anyway, I was thinking carrier rate confirmation. Right. Oh yeah, we got to make the. I wonder if we should do like a move for create document for now to like, because like when we do create document, how does this work? Oh, because we upload the whole file. Like, I wonder if we should do a move document or something, or like a flag to handle this scenario. Because we're going to do the same thing for invoice. It's alright, I guess. But I think we're going to do the same path here. So basically, we're going to do for document generators. I think we go. We decided invoices is definitely AR, so I think we go invoice. We can do customer invoice, I think. I think that's safe. Customer invoice? Yeah. And then customer invoice dot blade. All right. Should we just do this actually? Okay, so we've got shipment. Let's have AI take some stabs at this. Let me close everything really quick. So we got customer invoice. We got generate. We don't need that right now. Carrier. We need that. We need shipment. Okay. I think we have them linked in here already, so we can just go receivables. Okay. Ooh, we could technically have more than one customer. Yeah, okay, that's fine. We just need to like make sure these get tagged, I guess. So let's say this takes a... Let's go generate customer. This would be generate. And they should take a shipment and a customer probably. Yeah. And I think it just goes backwards. So we're not going to get into like invoice line items being recorded yet. Well, I want to, but we're just not going to be there for this quite yet. We'll do that next. That's part of the accounting system based on the needs. Because in the future, what's going to happen is we'll actually generate entries into like a ledger. But for now, we're just focusing on generating the actual invoice. Anyway, sorry. Get this thing done. All right, so customer, I think we just go like this. Let's go shipment, customer, we go customer, prepare view data. I think we just press the stops. Okay. So I think we're going to go back here and let's say generate a customer invoice template based on receiving a customer and shipment model and what? Wait, why are none of my files indexed? What the heck? Okay, I don't know what's happening here. Let's close and reopen. Maybe. Gender. What the heck's going on? Cursor, index. Index? Index? Re-index. What is going on? I mean, okay. Build it loosely based on and generate. It's so weird that that's not working. Generate rate confirmation. I guess I should probably name this carrier, honestly. In the future, this will be an editable template for users to plug their own variables into, so make sure the variables are not confusing for an end user to understand. We should include an invoice. I guess for invoices, do we want to have, I guess it'll just be the shipment for now, like the shipment number. We're probably going to want like manual invoice numbers though. Yeah, because it could be like could also be the customer reference number possibly. But like we don't even know what they're gonna want, so that's probably just like something we'll have to like allow changed. We should include all receivables on a shipment that are tied to the given customer. Yeah, let's try it. Give it a spin. Did anybody watch the Freight Waves fraud stuff today? I tuned in for a little bit. They were having like audio issues though. It was like a constant buzzing, which was a little annoying. So I only watched part of it, and then there was like some parts where it kind of cut in and out. I don't know. Overhaul had a pretty good presentation, I thought. I saw part of that, and then I watched part of the... Actually, I watched, I think, like the second half of the Overhaul presentation, and then like all of the one from Highway, and then they had a break, and I didn't come back after that. I had some stuff come up I had to do, but... It's cool. I like that they're doing different stuff. I like that they're live streaming it. So, Craig, if you're watching, thank you for live streaming it, because I did tune in for a little bit. I appreciate that. I wish they should live stream F3. Dude, if they live streamed like F3... I would totally... I think they do the rapid demos. They live stream them, maybe? I want to do more, like, live watching things, to be honest. I think that would be fun. Like, we did the Chat GPT one. I thought that was cool. I think more of those would be fun. Fun to do. I guess we should have, like, a generate invoice. React streamer. Dude. All I want to be is Asmongold. Like, what an easy life. You just pull up videos and you just react to them. And you're like, let me just pause it every 30 seconds to, like, add a couple words. And they just, like, play and you just make millions of dollars. Easy. Actually, no, but so, like, okay, here's my thought. Tell me what you think, Eldorado. I'm curious. I want to do more video content. I want to keep doing streams. I want to keep doing shorter streams like we've been doing lately, like the 2 to 3 hour one. I wanted to do a series of videos on freight tech demos. Dude, we should totally do it. I'm so down. Let's do it together. I'm so in. Or you just do it. I can help you. Make a channel. I'm in. But video for me, I want to do shorter streams like this, like 2 to 3 hours, where we're really like locked in and like building stuff, right? And then I want to do more short form videos or like 10-minute or less videos. I think like with the AI video I made, it was like, I spent so much time, right? And like, it didn't get that many views, like 150 or something. Like, not a lot. I spent so much time making all those graphics and everything. And I think it's informative. Like, I think it's actually like a good video. But like, it's obviously missing something because people didn't care about it. And then I started reading people saying like, you should make videos you want to watch. Like, well, what's the kind of stuff I watch? Well, mostly kind of like This Week in Freight. Yeah, no, like, actually, yeah, like, that's the kind of stuff I watch, right? I watch, admittedly, Asmongold. With a grain of salt. I don't always agree with them, but I like to watch his take on things a lot of times. And so, like, it's that kind of a thing, but, like, freight-related would be cool, I think. So, like watching, like, the freight fraud thing, and then cutting that up into like a 5-minute video, 10-minute video with the highlights and like the big takeaways, right? I think that would be cool. I also want to do some more like, I don't know how to like put it. Like, I watch a lot of videos where people are like holding up like a phone, right? They're like holding a phone selfie style or something, and like, hey, here's a thing I'm doing today, and like, here's some quick cuts of like progress as I'm doing it, and then like, here's the thing I built, and here's some stuff like, you know, 2-minute, 3-minute videos that are like quick. Here's something I built. Here's the quick takeaways of things I ran into like while trying to do something, and like, here's the final result. Like, I like that stuff. And I'm working on so many random projects at any given time. I thought that could be cool. So like, just like shorter videos that are like that. It's like a lot of content condensed into like 120 seconds. I don't know. I was thinking about doing some stuff like that. So I might, like with search carriers, right? Oh, like today I'm trying to like fix this bug, and like here's some information. Like, for example, today I fixed the bug at search carriers where there was an out of service mismatch because the vehicle out of service rate I was calculating included driver only inspections, which don't count towards the vehicle out of service, obviously. So I had to fix that. Like, just going over the data and like how that comes through and blah, blah, blah. I don't know. I think there'll be something there, maybe. Maybe not. I don't know. But some more like short form video like that. I definitely think that's easier for people to digest as well. I'll close over. Sometimes people think they know what they want. Hey, break down what's going on AI, but then they don't consume it. Yeah, that's exactly That's exactly it. Like, people have posted... It's funny, because, like, ever since I made that video, people have posted and been like, oh, somebody should make a video about AI and freight and, like, a breakdown. I'm like, I literally, like, did exactly that. And, like, I'll link it to them, and they'll be like, oh, wow, great, thanks. And I never hear anything. Like, they're never like, wow, that was a great video, thank you. I'm pretty sure because they start watching it, and they're like, yawn. And then they don't finish watching it. Like, I'm pretty sure that's what's happening. And, which is totally fair. But it's like, okay, like, they want something there, and, like, that video didn't do it. And that video also took a ton of time. You know, a 2-3 minute video where I just run through stuff is, like, way easier to do than that, whatever that was, 12 minutes of diagrams and everything. That was a lot. The fun thing is, those videos, like, that approach worked really well. I used to do those kind of presentations like a Transfix. I would give, and my previous job, I actually kind of, I've done that for a while before I was really making videos. I would do presentations like that as, like, lunch and learns quite a bit to, like, engineers, and they loved it. Like, I always got really good feedback. But I think for a wider audience, it's, like, too boring. So, I don't know. There's something there, basically, is what I'm saying. Uh-oh. We just found a bug. Some to read property ID of null. ID of null delegates to resource. This is one of those two collection or two resource calls somewhere. Alias model resource. But where? Accounting? Oh, so it's the accounting. Get shipment accounting, probably. This related entities. Oh. That's odd. Apparently, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's this, and I think it's this. But I don't know how it's getting there. Let's do this. Well, anyway, on that topic, if there's any kind of videos or content you want to see out of this channel, things you want me to talk about, videos you want me to review, ideas, let me know. I'm open to it. I need to put more videos out. I want to put more videos out. I want to experiment some more. And I think I want to do shorter content. More to the point, that's valuable, interesting stuff. And then I also want to do more like, yeah, watching a React streamer, I guess. I don't know. Like, I think it could be interesting. Only on things that are interesting, and I want to try it. And if it's boring, then we won't do it anymore. Related entities. Is it facilities? Facility, customer. Maybe facility? But I think this would have broken before, I would have think. But I don't know. Alias properties, wait. Name. No, that should be fine, right? Let me try this. Maybe this will fix. So they'll tell us if it's that or not, I guess. What is going on? Oh. Wait, did accounting work this time? Accounting, it did. Now it's actually the front end. Oh, wait, is the front... Wait, related entities. Okay, now it's actually breaking. ID unknown. So it's definitely this. And it's... How is ID null here? Everything has an ID, right? Weird. We could try this. Oh, this could actually be what's breaking. Possibly. Most things I watch are a couple gaming streams, some programming, and then a little freight. Kind of depend on if I'm actively playing a game. Yeah, that's fair. Well, that's where I feel like there's just like something there that somebody hasn't solved yet. Like I feel like I watch a lot of content that's like freight-ish related. Like I want to watch a lot of these podcasts, but I feel like after a while, a lot of times it's just like generic business advice. You know what I mean? Like it's just like I've heard this exact same thing being said by like a different person, just with like the words changed in certain places. I think it would be interesting to have some kind of like a place that you could go to watch, like I said, like the Asmongold kind of thing, right? Like when like there's an event, it's interesting to see him explore what's going on, mostly because of his chat, because his chat will say things and he'll bring it up and then like talk about that, and then you're like, oh, okay, like you're seeing kind of both sides a little bit, which is good to kind of see, right? I think it would be interesting to have something like that on like freight. Like when a new freight thing happens, a new report comes out, a new software company launches, I don't know, a new idea is getting tried. It would be interesting to have that same kind of place to go to see somebody like pulling it up and like reading through the report, like seeing the video. I don't know. It's like you need like one step more. Like you need to be like a brokerage so you can like actually be in the software and like actually have something to show rather than just like the news article. Because like with Asmongold and stuff, like, and those kind of guys, they have like gaming trailers they can review. Like that's interesting to look at while he's talking about it. That like visual piece is what's missing, I think. I have no idea what's going on here. Let's go. The resources. Alias model resource collection S related entities. Oh. What am I doing wrong? The heck? Property ID on null. Line 25 of alias model resource. Yeah, I don't know, where's that coming from? Because when I go S related entities. Oh wait, there is a null. I didn't see that. What's that from? Related entities. Get related. Oh. If this carrier. That's probably what it is. There we go. And yeah, there's no carrier. Okay. Let's see here. Login, shipment, related entities. Yeah, there we go. All right, now we can. Let's try this again. There we go. Okay. Cool. Alright, so now we can go receivables. Alright, there's no carrier. Let's throw this on here. Line haul. 100, 100, 5. Hang on, I'm gonna do this right now. I think when they do 105, that should turn this into 500 immediately. So I'm doing it. Doing it right now. I'm gonna start a timer in 10 minutes for the last hour, so we can like keep track. Receivable. There we go. Then we go. What is it? Set data. Set data. Set data. Oops. Where it be? Table select. Here we go. When rate or quantity change, we should auto update total to match. When total is updated. Actually, I think total's fine. We'll just leave total how total is. But I think rate and quantity should reflect total. Too bad. See, this is that I wish I could find, like... Hold on, can I find, like, Rocket League 2021 or something? Hold on, this might be it. No, that's, like, 5 songs. See, I wish I could find, like, the old... playlists. Like, Rocket League OG lobby. OG lobby music. Why is total even an input? Because there's going to be times where people want to just come in and like set the total and not think about it, basically. I know for sure they're going to want to be able to edit total because I've been down that specific path before. Make this same change in payables. Oh, okay. Well, what I was trying to do is just add some line items here. I feel like if you add a new one, it should default to whatever like the last one is. I don't know. Probably doesn't matter. I'm just literally putting in random stuff here. Cool. Oh, let's see. Probably fine. Let's just try this really quick. Add 3. Yeah, so this is a little goofy, but then like if you save it, it'll update based on the total. So that's fine. Okay. We got a couple things in here. Oh, now I get it. Yeah, maybe you want to rename the total column to position total or something like that. It's a little bit confusing with 2 totals. Oh, you know, actually, that's... Oh, it probably would look cleaner if it just said total down here. But I feel like in edit mode, you're going to want to know what this is. And also in mobile, because I think it like stacks all crazy. Yeah, this looks fine. Yeah. Yeah, like sum or something like that. I don't know. It's a good call. I'm gonna think about it for a minute. All right, we got these in here. So now what I want to do is go. We got generate customer. I haven't actually even looked at this at all. See what it. Customer invoice, shipment ID, time. Should be customer invoice. This should be. We could have multiple invoices, one per customer, so we should name the file based on customer as well. Some, yeah, I think some. I think so too. Let's do it. Payable, total. Total. 22 references, nice. How about... Actually, I don't remember if it's a capital or not. Total. No. Yeah, I wish I had the original Rocket League playlist, man. Let's see, hold on. I had an old playlist. Let me see if I can find it real quick. One sec. Let's see. Or maybe it might be this playlist. It might have just been adding songs as they came out. I think so. I think that's what happened. Bummer. We'll just keep skipping. That's fine. Let's see. Customer name. Yeah, that's probably fine. Okay, so I should be able to say PHP Artisan Tinker. Log in. Okay, I don't know where login went. Oh, sale Artisan Tinker, that's why. And then I'm gonna go auth, log in. And then I'm gonna go s equals shipment, find 8. And then I want to find customer industrial, whatever this one is. Which is 28. All right. C equals customer find 28. Okay. And then I'm going to go app, actions, documents, generators, generate customer invoice, run. I think. Okay. Wow, this looks horrible. It may, oh, I should have told, I think it's because it based this too much on the rate con. Yeah, I based this way too much on the rate con. This looks like trash. Let's go customer invoice. Let's do this. I mean, we could just pick an invoice. I mean, I have an idea what it looks like. Yeah, it's kind of like this. Sure. Okay. Well, let's go. Update. Redo this template to follow the format to make the invoice look like this image. Also, I wonder what kind of craziness it's doing in here. Customer data, invoice data. Customer payment terms are solid. Wait, what? Oh. You could put your... I don't think people do that. Wait, what? Am I crazy? That's not a thing people do, right? They don't send their account and routing number on an invoice. I'm pretty sure that's not a thing people do. Oh. That would be like part of setup. Like when you... On the invoice? They do it on the invoice? Really? I feel like you would set that up like at setup. But like on the invoice you send, you would have the routing and the account number? Couldn't they just like I don't know. I could be wrong. Login, shipment, customer, generate. I've seen it on invoices. Oh, really? Okay. All right. Good to know. I don't know which one this one is. Okay, this is the one. Wow, it actually did a good job. Did it just make up things though? Did it match like what was actually like literally on the invoice I sent? I think it did. It's not something people normally do. I would maybe do something as a custom block if they want to include it. Yeah, I agree. That makes sense. What is this song? Invoice number. What is the shipment? Shipment 971. So it came with like a random. Wait, no, it's not really what I meant. I think make the information on this match what is coming through from Why is it not letting me do that again? Why has Cursor been having so many bugs the last couple weeks? It's crazy. Alright, I'm gonna set an hour timer. Timer. Interact. Oops. 60. Okay. Yeah, so invoice generation is the goal here. I think what we'll do is have invoices auto-generate at delivery, I guess. Yeah, I guess when it's marked delivered. Although you would really be waiting for the VOL to generate it, I think. Generally speaking. But for now, we'll do that. Oops, did not mean to open that. Now I gotta wait 10 minutes for this to open. Yes, please close, thank you. Okay. A few more issues. Okay. Yeah, we need to make the templates editable and all that, for sure. Yeah, I guess what we could do is, yeah, we could make like a pay to block that they can plug in what they want. That probably makes sense. It's done. Still going. Oh wait, there it goes, I think. Alright, let's try again. I don't know if this will just work. It might. No, it didn't. Okay. Alright, login. Shipment. Customer. Generate. Wait, is this... There might be another one. Wait, really? It looks exactly the same, right? It added load ID. It didn't do... What the heck? What's this thing doing? Let's see, hold on. It's just got like a hard-coded rates on here, right? Look at this, what the heck? No, it needs to pull the receivables in from the shipments and list them as the line items along with a total at the bottom. And the invoice number should match the load number. And invoice number should match the load number. Plus the customer number. We probably should create like an invoice like tag, kind of like QuickBooks does. So you can be like, whatever, ABC, like an invoice naming scheme. Invoice naming schemes and load number schemes. Yeah, for sure. Wait, what? Load. What do you mean by load number schemes? Do you do that per customer? I hate this. We're probably just gonna end up redoing this thing. See what it looks like. Let's see. Shipment, customer, generate. No charges found. All right. I think we're just gonna have to actually write this code. No, just overall for the rate cons. Oh, yeah. I gotcha. Agreed. Yeah, I think we're just gonna have to write this code. I think AI's gonna let us down on this one, so let's do it. Process stops. Yeah, so let's go. Already skipping that song. Let's go data. Turn data. We might even have to do this for the other one too, because I think it's doing some weird stuff in here. It's like passable, but I still don't really like it either. I guess we're just going to MVP here. Yeah, that thing got an insta skip. Oh, sweet. Yeah. I need to get, dude, I want the old Rocket League playlist so bad. I found like a really old one, but it's like really missing a lot of songs. Like maybe this one hasn't been updated. I need one that hasn't been updated for a few years. Unofficial. No, see, updated May 25. No, it's too recent. Give me the 2020-ish, 2021, somewhere in there. I start looking for years. Oh, 2023. Wait, here, Rocket League songs 2023. Is this right? Oh, I think I found it. Oh yeah, here we go. I think we're in business. I gotta save this playlist. It should at least be better. Although I think it's literally like 2022. I think 23 is when they had... Yeah, it was like right before this. But this is still way better. Okay. Let's see, there's just one... I think this is the one that has... I don't know. Anyway, it's good background music. Back to it. So we're gonna redo this. So here, customer invoice. I think this looks fine. Let's take a look here. Bill to is, I mean, this is probably mostly okay. The data is just like really goofed. I mean, that's good. Yeah, actually, I got a good one. Give me the list of variables from this template. Let's see what it plugged in here. We'll try to match it at least or something. And yeah, I think we'll do, so as far as like the numbers and all that, we have this ticket. We have a couple tickets. The unique IDs, we're doing that for sure. Organization level configs, so we can do this for number schemes, so that should be fine. And we'll do a customer level, like when we get to the customer accounting info. I think we'll do like customer underscore accounting table, and just like then we can plug in like billing, address, yada yada yada, invoicing preferences. We're gonna have a full like invoice preference like generating system in the future, but yeah, we got the template system, the document templates. So the goal for today is to have invoices that generate. Okay, so like load number, I want to change that to be shipment number because we don't say load, we say shipment. Okay. So I think I want to go over here. And we gotta go data, company name equals customer legal name. Actually, I don't know if that's what it's called. Wait, is that all that's in here is just name? Oh man, we don't even have legal name. Just have name. It's okay. It's fine. We'll fix that when we get to that part. One thing at a time here. Address. Okay, no. No, you're wrong. Oh, this is our company. It's actually right. Data. Let me see here. Company name. Yeah, so we gotta get our company info here. So we'll do to do here. To do company prefs. Fill in. Data equal, or sorry, data. I guess let's do it all, it's fine. Company name. To do. Continue for city, state, zip, phone, and email. Boom. No. Okay. Okay, we'll fill those in the future. So we got data shipment number. And that's going to equal... We should actually make this... Or no, that's fine. Okay, actually I lied. Shipment. And this is going to be... What do we call it? I don't actually remember. We call it shipment number. Okay. I couldn't remember if it was like just number. I wish I was getting hints here. I thought... Is my extension still broken or whatever? Probably. "42 uncaught errors." There's like a way to reload, right? Laravel. Reload. I thought there was a way to reload this. Or am I crazy? Status. Okay. Do I need to like restart this? Is something goofy happening? Hold on, let me just... What else we got? Let's go to this. Hold on. Sure. Let's just file. Edit? I thought there was like a reload window, right? Okay. It's fine. Maybe it'll work now. Oh wait, 1 second, I got it. Let's see if this works now. Data, invoice number. So this is gonna actually be something in the future. This is gonna be like to do. This actually kind of sucks without having the invoice concepts built out because we can't track them better. Track invoice numbers. Because it'd be nice to be like, if we actually tracked invoices correctly, we would generate against an invoice instead of a shipment, right? Like we wouldn't pass in a customer shipment, we'd pass in an invoice object. Which is what we're gonna do. Just not today. MVP, baby. So we really want to go like, I guess, for now we'll go customer name. And then shipment number. And then I guess time, I don't know. Sure. No. That's fine. See, we can't do more than one invoice. Like if you need to like add an additional, it's like not really gonna work right now. You just gotta regenerate it. We gotta make that work. But and we will. Just not there right now. Customer reference. We don't have this, I don't think, in the system yet either. We have reference numbers on the stops, but we don't have like a specific customer reference. We'll probably add one. I don't know where we'll add one. Maybe in customers. Maybe it'll be like a row where you can actually add a customer reference, or maybe up here. For now, it's gonna go empty. Payment terms. Again, this is actually gonna be like customer payment terms. For now, it's gonna be like this. Data, customer name. Here we go. Customer name. Customer address. This is going to be customer location. I thought we had like a direct location. Do we just have facilities? Do we not have any of that in here? I guess not. Dang, bro, we're gonna add all that. All right, we're gonna have to do some more stuff than we're gonna get to today. Customer HQ location, or I guess billing address. Customer address 1. Yeah, we gotta definitely do this. Alright, so we're not gonna get this done today, but that's okay. We knew we needed to do this stuff in the future. I guess we'll go state, city. Data, customer, zip. Okay, so customer contact. So this is where we could probably add like a billing contact. Maybe in here we actually select a billing contact. So it'd be like customer contact. To do set customer billing contact. Customer email. All right, and then data receivables equals shipment receivables where receivables. It has a customer ID, I think, right? I think that's how we did it. Not here. Receivable. Here we go. Oh. Yeah. Where? Oh wait, no. We do this, right? It's where morph to payer equals the customer. I can't remember how you do it. I don't think that's it. Hold on. Morph to. I think there's a way to query this directly. Where? Right? I thought there was like a shortcut. Here we go. Oh, where belongs to. Okay. I knew there was something. Okay, wait. You may provide... How does it... I guess I need to say... We probably need to specify the actual, like, name. Where belongs to... And then it's going to be customer payer. Get. Oh, it wants me to map it. And it's an array container with description and amount. Is that it? We don't have, like, quantity or anything? Okay. I'm sure they're going to want that. So let's do this. Let's go... Map. Map to... Description, amount, rate, quantity. See what we get. Receivables map. Okay, sure. That's okay. Total due. Okay. The numbers should work now, at least, hopefully. Sale, artisan, tinker. Oh, we need to spin up the front end, too. Sale, artisan, or sorry, sale, npm run dev. There we go. Log in, shipment, customer, nested arrays may not be passed to the where in method. What? Oh. No, wait, what? Nested arrays may not be passed to the where in method. Is that the where belongs to? Is this what? Customer. That's got to be this, right? So we go S receivables where belongs to customer payer get. That's a Laravel bug, right? Or wait. Receivable to morph to. Hold on. Oh, maybe that doesn't work with morph twos. Maybe that's what it is. Uh... Oh! You could do this the whole time? No way, bro. Given the one-to-one relationship above, comment will belong to a post or video. It will do the however you may wish to decouple these from your internal. Well, now we know. We can literally have done this. Dang it. Force map, morph map. So we can plug this into our every column in your database a fully closed will need to be converted to its okay. Use morph map in Laravel with alias system. Dang. This whole time. Will require migration if done after launch. We should do this now. All right. Here we go. Querying morph 2. What the heck? Where has morph? These accept the name of the relationship. As the first one, this accepts the names of the related models. Oh my gosh. Query for the children of a morphed to relationship parent. You may wish to do this. Where morphed to? There's not a better way to do this? I feel like there should be a better way to do this. Right? There should be able to go like, where... What they do? Where has morph? Retrieve comments associated to posts. So this would be receivable. Let me think about this. So we want to find receivables where they belong to somebody specifically. I think we just have to do this. That kind of sucks. I guess we have to do this. Where has morph? Has morph. And then we go here. But like I can't. Feels like there should be a better way to do this. I guess not. I feel like this is what should, like, where it belongs to. I think. Dang, I feel like there's gotta be something, right? Where has, let's just try this, I guess. Where has morph? I think this is wrong. Hair. And then it'd be any of these classes. So it'd be like customer class, carrier class, facility class. But then see, we're gonna have to do it anyway because we gotta go function, builder, or I guess query. Because see, if we just do the oof. I kind of hate this. Is that really then? There's no better way to do this? Comment. Maybe this is it. Morphed to. Morphed to. And it'd be like this. Morphed. Oh, whoops. Where? Receivable. Yeah, so that seems just so odd. It'd be like where morphed from. I guess we would have to join. I think that's just like the less efficient way to do it. But basically we'd have to add customer, and then we'd have to add public function receivables. Which is basically receivables where this is receivable where type and ID is customer matching. Yeah, so like that's kind of goofy. So they would be like, so then log in, shipment, customer. We're morphed to. I'm so confused. How do I... Okay, wait. This feels like a rough one for Laravel. This seems like a straightforward query. This should be handled. Right? Like, I should literally just be able to be like, where morphed from? Customer, payer. Like, that should be pretty self-explanatory. But that's not how it works, apparently. How do I make this work? So basically... Receivables has a payer morph to, which can be a customer, facility, or carrier. I want to filter the shipment receivables by where the payer is the customer model I have. Hey, what's up, man? Dude, your job's way more complicated than mine. Oh, yeah. Today's, you know, it's alright. It's kind of a short stream today. I've got 30 minutes left-ish. Running into some stuff, but, yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. There's a lot going on this week. Okay, so what is it? Receivables where? See, that's what I don't want to do. Like, that's annoying. And also, this will break. So if we do that conversion later, I think this won't work. Actually, it won't work anyway, because... No, yeah. That'll work on the back end. But yeah, so later, if we change this, this will break, I think. Because now, if you do custom polymorphic types... Yeah, see? Oh, look, they even call it alias. Oh my gosh, that's so annoying. We totally missed this. But see, we'd have to plug this in everywhere. Which sucks. You may enforcement method on the... Oh, you can even do it in the boot method? Damn. Yeah, we should definitely do that. Yeah, see, I'm pretty sure this is gonna now break. Because we're not using the alias as we should. Unless, I guess receivables... Oh, because this is gonna convert, right? Like if I go echo customer class... if we go echo app... Wait, customers, models, customers. App models, customers, customer class. It's gonna be the namespace, right? Yeah. So like now, it looks like you're trying to fix someone else's mess, maybe? No, it's we're just trying to like build something here. It's all new. Trying to figure out the best way to join these tables. The way around it's a little goofy, so I'm trying not to do this, because this is gonna break when we do a change we're gonna do soon. If we do it this way. I want to just be able to... I'm really shocked you can't do this. I want to be able to say... Querying... Polymorphic querying morph2. Here, yeah, querying morph2s. But in receivables... Receivable... This is a morph2. Receivable first. Payer. Okay, that works. I don't understand. Where has morph? Let's try this. Oh wait, maybe that's what it is. Query. Where has morph? Payer, customer class. But see, I still have to like define it, right? I don't think this works. Argument 3 must be a callback. See, I don't want to. I want to just give it. Like, what's the point of doing all that if I've got to like? Column equals set. See, that sucks. That's dumb. If it's a... Where morphed to? I don't think... And then this doesn't work. Where morphed to? I think we tried this a second ago. It didn't work. Payer. C. Oh wait, maybe that did work. See what see customer 28, customer 28. Oh, okay, I think we just got it. Okay. So we go receivables where morphed to payer customer. Right? I think so. So now if I go shipment equals S, customer equals C, and then get these. I think we're there. I think we're there. 28, 20, yeah, the 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we did it. We're there. That was not clear. Or I'm just having an off day. Both possible. Maybe a little bit of both. I was like, how is that not there? The way they describe it in here is really confusing because it's comments, receivable, commentable. I don't know. I don't know why they lead with the complicated example and that, but we got there. All right, so this should work now. So I should be able to go tinker. Let's go S equals C equals, and then I go what? Generate customer invoice. Okay. Gosh. Wait. Fine. Oh, I gotta log in. Auth login. Shipment. Customer. Generate. Okay. Call to undefined. It's gonna be get. Dang it. All right, one more time. Login, customer, shipment, generate. I think we're there. Boom, boom, boom. All right, they're all in there now. Is that right? 17? Yeah, it is. Okay. Nice. We're there. We don't need to, like, space this thing, though. Payment terms blank. Invoice is... Oh. Invoice. I'll fix that for now. Bill to... Okay. So now, I think we just want to have a generate invoice option that's the same as that, but it takes, when you click it, it's going to pop a dialog and say, for what customer? You pick the customer, it will regenerate the invoices. Okay. Yes. Okay. So that's good. That's good. Those are better. Invoice generator. We had to push that. Cool. So now we want to go to shipment. I think we'll just throw this in header, I guess, again. Probably. Maybe it'll be like in the 3 dots. Regenerate invoice. And we'll only have it for... I mean, I guess we can say... I mean, I guess whenever is probably fine. Although really it'd be like after delivery. So I think we're gonna go create a new generate invoice button that opens a dialog and lets the user pick a customer from the shipment, which, oh, you know what? Where did we go? We did shipment. I thought it was shipments, right? Shipment. Here we go. Documents, generate console. We want to do the same thing. I think we go shipment, documents, generate customer invoice. And then I guess we'll just put customer on the end. Generate customer invoice. We'll do shipment documents, generate customer invoice. Yeah, and then we'll go header. Which will then post to with the shipment and customer passed in. And then open the doc preview like we do for Raycon. The button should show up under the extras list. What else? I think that's it. All right. Yeah, so we really need to get config overrides in place for like the preference system. We need to get the document cleaned up. Raycon template, invoice template UI. Let's see here. We probably have a bunch of tickets for customer accounting already, I'm guessing. Maybe I call it shipper. I guess not. I guess we'll create it. Customer billing address location support. What else? So we need customer billing address. We need customer billing contact support. Set a contact under billing info. We also need customer legal name, DBA name fields. Customer billing address. Wait, did I put that already? I think I did. Customer pay terms. Customer invoicing scheme support. Say invoice number scheme support. What else I run into? Billing and yeah, that's like the main stuff, honestly. This works first try. I'll be shocked. Select a customer to generate an invoice. Oh, industrial. I knew it wouldn't work. I knew it. What was it mad about? Please select a customer. Please select a customer. What do we do? If the select customer is empty. Okay. Value on change. Set. I just need to refresh. Generate. Generate voice. Oh. No, it should be... Yeah, that should be okay. Right? I think so. Oh, you know what? I bet it's because... I bet radio's broken. I bet the value's wrong. Radio group item, value, customer, ID to string. I wonder if this is null. Hold on. Inspect. Value... Wait, no, that's right. 28. What? What is going on? Value change. Let's log it. Number. Let's go a console.log setting to. Okay. Console. Ooh, that is not like it's working. Generate. Not working. Oh, I think it's using the wrong thing, right? Hold on. It's not on value change, it's on... Wait, it is? Am I crazy? Thanks for the follow, I appreciate it. Thanks for hanging out. I'm trying to figure out how... Where does Radio Group come from? Is that, Oh. Wait, what? Wait, what did this do? I created custom radio group components? Dude, AI is wild. I probably just don't have them imported. Alright, let's pull them in. That's funny. It didn't import them, instead it just made up its own. Classic. Classic. This looks okay. There we go. Yes. Okay. This, I don't like this because it's too close to cancel shipment, so we'll fix that too, but... changing, okay, radio group is changed from uncontrolled to control. Computer should not switch. I think it's because of this. I mean, that's fine. I think that's why. Also, is that why this isn't right? Because I thought it was like this. I thought it was like... on click or something, or on selected. Yeah. I don't know. I thought that's how it was. I don't know. There we go. It might have actually generated. It might just not have refreshed it like I want it to. I guess I wouldn't know. Dude, generate for... Yeah, okay, it's generating. It's just not pulling it open. Okay. Nothing's erroring, which is... So we need to go... On success show, set show, invoice preview. So it probably pulled in like a whole... download Raycon? Not correct. Oh. Let's just change this to download document. Better. Did that actually work? It did, okay. Sometimes when you do like the full replace like that, it doesn't actually replace everything. Okay. So this isn't happening though. So show invoice preview. We say true, set generated. Response document. Oh. Generate customer invoice. What do we return? Document. I mean, looks okay. Generate industrial. Oh, let's do this. Generate. Wait, are we doing something different? It seems the same to me. Generate Raycon. Rate confirmation generated. Generate invoice. Invoice successfully generated. And then I do... Wait. Does this work still? Generate Raycon. Oh. Right. I forgot. We changed it to a view button. I forgot we did that. That's so much simpler. And then we can... Oh, we actually don't have a regenerate. You gotta delete it. That's right. Delete, and then you can generate it. I guess this should just be a regenerate. I don't know. I'm surprised it doesn't work, but because it says, okay, toast, generate Raycon. On success, if response document. Oh. Oh, no, we do give a document, right? To post it. Oh, because it's, right. Okay. So basically, we're doing an inertia request, not like a fetch. And since we're doing that, this response is actually, there is no response document. It's returning like the whole page again, basically. I think we just do the toast for now. We need to make that. That's alright. I think that's fine. We probably should make the document preview dialog. We can probably just make it be like... Preview document, right? Combine the document preview dialogues into one component and just set the... Oh, we don't even need that. We don't need an invoice preview anymore. We don't need that anymore. Wait. Yeah. We don't need that. Because we'll just have them preview it through the actual, like, docs for now. I think that's okay. We'll have it, actually, we'll change it to be regenerate as well. Let's see here. I'm surprised I didn't bring up errors. I expected that to generate invoice. Oh, this is the dialogue, probably. Oh. Because we expect this to just happen on delivery, I think, instead. And then I think we can just hide this, probably. Like, we don't really need this. Let's see. Generate invoice. Does this instant cancel? No. Good. Yeah. So then if I come in here and I go edit, delete this guy, save it, regenerate. Oh, I have too many copies. Oh, we're gonna have this issue actually from the other issue we had. But should I go here, regenerate? Yeah, it's gonna keep happening. Okay. Oh, that's the issue we had from the other day from we don't have storage. The documents aren't unique ID'd, so we'll fix that too. Not a big deal. Private customer invoices, documents. Where am I going? Documents. Wait. Oh, wait, no, yeah, okay. These are like the temporary ones. I should put that under... Wait, right? Yeah. Wait, they should be deleting. Right? Are these... Oh, these are old. Delete. Same with these. Those are probably old. Because it should be shipment 8. Here we go. I'm just gonna nuke these. Alright, so now we should have a 582 when we do this. Generate. Oh? It might be a mismatch or something. Wait. File name is... Wait. What? Sale, artisan, tinker, auth, login, user first, document, I can't do it through here, I forgot. Sale, artisan, DB, delete from documents. There we go. Okay, let's try again. Generate, industrial, boom. Why is that not closing now? Did I remove something on accident? Oh, I did. Generate. I did. On success of regenerate invoice, we need to also say toast and then set show invoice dialog to false. There we go. All right. Right, 582. It's as expected. Go in here. Change this to 400, so now it should be 740. Regenerate. 740. All right. Progress. Cool. All right. Nice. I think we have a lot of work to still do here. A lot of work to do here still, but the invoice generation looks okay for now. At least like the bones are there at this point. So let's see here. Yeah. So what we need to do is we need to add more details to the customer. We definitely gotta get this filled in. We need to update our morph map. Probably before the template, we probably should do that. Create organization config overrides. Yes. Actually, we should do this. And then we should do... So basically, I think we'll do the unique IDs for documents to fix that 10 times issue. Then we'll do customer invoice billing accounting details. Just call this basics. I think we're going to call that done for today. And then we'll have the override for company configs for address stuff and everything like that. And then morph maps, and then we'll get to the UI for templating. And that should pretty much do it. A little bit more than I thought we had left, but we should be done still this week, I think. It would be interesting to tag those documents related to this customer somehow, huh? Wonder if we add like a metadata field or something. Or like link them somehow. I thought we had invoice concept, but there's no invoice. Maybe we could just start the invoice concept and create like an invoice entry. And use that to track it. I wonder if that's a better way to do it for now. Oh, we also need to make it on load delivery. Or I guess, I don't know, I guess on load delivery for now. Delivery, generate invoices for all customers for now. This will change in the future to be once all documents are received instead. So we should do that next. We're at time for today though, but I think we'll do that next. So probably Friday, onload delivery, generate invoices, and then the unique ID for documents to get rid of that issue we were having. I probably need to clean this up. We need to add factors, copy load. Shipment should create a bill. I don't think we need to do this right now. Should we create an invoice? Maybe we might do this a little bit. I might add an invoice table and we just track only invoice maybe. Just to give it a little bit more than just the document to track it. And then we can expand on it when we get to like actual line item stuff. I don't know. Let's do a dev check real quick. Sale artisan dev check. Actually, hold on, before we do that, let me push this out. Also, we should make it so that regenerate invoice. It's fine. Okay, no errors so far. That's good. I feel like TypeScript's gonna be mad about something. Yeah, okay, here we go. Shipment header response 169. Oh, here we go. 169 response never used. Okay, that's fine. Oh, same error. Try again. I think we'll be good. It's coming together. Once accounting's done, it's pretty much clean up, then launch. Yeah, pretty much. I really want to get accounting. The thing is, I really want to get like invoice generation. I'm not gonna even call it accounting. Invoice generation done. Rate con generation done. Basically, that stuff I just put in there in this ready column. I need to clean this up more. Basically this in progress column for sure. Maybe a couple things from over here too. Like probably search carries integration. I'll probably pull that in. But yeah, basically getting in progress done. And then polish and launch for the most part for like our first stable version, we'll call it. I can't keep up with speed or do anything. But I'm interested in the price, so I'll drop a follow. Thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. How often do you stream? Generally it's Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Usually like in the afternoon. Like it's been more like 2 o'clock Eastern-ish around there lately. So, yeah, come back, hang out. Sorry, I'm going a little fast today. I kind of have like a hard stop at like 5. I got to jump off for. So I was trying to get more done here. Normally I try to explain things a little bit better. So definitely come back again. I think I'm going to, I'm supposed to be traveling later this week. So we'll see. Friday stream may not happen. If I'm not traveling, I'll definitely be live. But if I end up traveling, I will be back again a week from now on Wednesday. So, but typical schedule is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So definitely come hang out, turn on notifications, whatever, and you'll see me go live. And come ask questions. Happy to answer stuff for sure. But yeah, okay, cool. This looks good. Push this out. Winter fixes. But yeah, Eldorado, we are close. I think we gotta get all this done. I don't know. I think we'll get all of this done and this in progress here. I want to get morph done since it's going to require a migration if we don't do a 4v1. So we'll do that. I think I did this actually. Yeah, I think it's really just stuff in progress right now, and then we launch it. And that's first stable version, and then we'll obviously be doing like everything in here. But we'll get the first stable version out the door so we can start looking at integrations and things of that nature. So anyway, I know this is kind of a short stream today. We're like just at 2 hours, but gotta hop off. I think I'm gonna be traveling, so I probably won't be back until like a week from now, like next Wednesday probably. Yeah, probably not till next Wednesday, but I'll try to put some content out on YouTube. So if you're not subscribed to YouTube, go subscribe to the channel there. I'm going to try to make a video or two on there if I don't go live. So, but otherwise, if I'm not back live, have a good rest of your week. Have a great weekend, and I'll see you back next week. Thanks for hanging out.